Here's how we can enable the option that allows you to call and text from Samsung Galaxy S25 on other Samsung devices. So first of all, we need to go to settings. Then let's go to connected devices, and here we need to find call and text on other devices. Select this option, press continue twice, and here we need to select which SIM card you want to use. You can also choose both SIMs or Wi-Fi only. And then after you press OK, you can set this. You can make this your primary phone. So if this appears, then you want to switch. And there we go. Now over here, we can enable these options: call on other devices and text on other devices. So if other devices like Galaxy tablet or watch on computer is connected with your Galaxy S25, then you should be able to call and text from these other devices. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!